Hello, everyone. Welcome to this session with JiPOS ERP. And at the moment, we are going to show you the dashboard of JiPOS and what it entails. So stay tuned and welcome. Now, if you log into JiPOS, you'll first land into this particular session, especially if you're the administrator and not the waiter or the cashier. So this is the dashboard of JiPOS, and it contains these particular widgets that we are going to learn about. Now, at the top section, we have got this particular navigation bar. We call it the top navigation bar, where we have got the home button. We have got the support documentation. So if you click on that, it will give you the video tutorial, and you can as well download the manual at the bottom of that particular video tutorial. There's the this particular form, which has got the subject and the narrative. So you can always email the support team through that particular section. At the top section, that is the top right section, you just have got your username, your profile, and of course the logout button. And the last icon is just for customization, and this is just color coding, how to position the navigation bar, the top bar, and the UI, that is the user interface. So closing that, and now coming down to this particular section, written dashboard, we have got this particular, let me say, three main sections. That is the top section, which contains quick information or quick summary information. And we have got the middle section, which contains quick links or shortcut links. We have also this particular last section here, which contains detailed summary in tabular format of transactions of different modules of the system. So starting with the top section, we have got all users, and this will show you the number of system users within JiPOS. We have got SMS outbox. This will show you the total number of SMS which are pending delivery. So all these particular SMS are in the outbox section, and that is found in the notification section or module of the system, and that is in the sidebar. If you look at the sidebar, we have got the bulk SMS, and of course, if you click SMS, you'll find and see the inbox and the outbox. You have got supplier balances, which is a widget, and this section shows you the total amount of money to be paid to the suppliers. And this is directly coming from the purchase module that you see at the top left, that is of the sidebar. First item in the sidebar with the drop-down list. Then we have the last section, which shows you stores. This is the number of stores in the system, and of course, because this is a multi-store ERP that is able to accommodate multiple stores running concurrently. So all the stores registered will be counted and displayed here. And of course, how to register store, you'll always find it in our tutorial on settings and configurations with JiPOS. And that is in the configuration section in the sidebar. And the last thing here is store. Apart from that, we have got the shortcut links, where you have got new category. You can click this to add an item category. This item category is important in the point of sale, especially for restaurants and bars. And it's also important in item registration. You'll require category to register an item. You have got suppliers, which is also a shortcut link. If you click on this, it will directly take you to the supplier list, where you can as well register new suppliers. Customers icon will also take you to the customer list and customer registration page of all the customers in the system. Then we have got this new item button, which will take you to the new items page. That is, if you want to register a new item in the system. You have got new purchase, and this is a direct purchase. So if you want to do a direct purchase and you don't want to navigate to the sidebar, go to purchases, then do direct purchase, you can always click new purchase button. You have got the stock, and this will take you to the stock module of the system. So it's also a shortcut button to directly take you into that module. Now we've got happy hour, and this is a new button that is added to allow you set happy hour times. That means if you need to have your happy hours run maybe Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, or whichever day of the week, from whichever time to preferred time, then this is the shortcut button that you need to click, and it will directly take you to the happy hour settings. Then we have the last button here, which is written POS, and this will take you to the POS page or the selling page of JiPOS. So the third section of this dashboard contains notifications, and these are summary notifications, especially coming from the inventory and of course the sales. Now, the first one is due invoices. So due invoices will show you the total value that is in red, and of course at the top right it will show the number of invoices which are due. So this is also a quick summary and as well a link which will take you to the invoices section, and the invoices section is found under sales, and you have the invoices here. So this information is what is pulled into this particular section called due invoices. Then you have the second item here called item count. So this will give you the total number of items in terms of count in the system. And this is general item list. So if you click on this particular link, it will take you to the product section and the items link that is found in the sidebar. So that is item count row. Of course, the total number of items available in terms of count will also be displayed here. And then we have got items need restocking. These are the total number of items which need restocking. And this is also a shortcut which will redirect you to the products, that is products in bracket inventory. And then it will give you the stocks or the number of items which needs to be restocked. And then we have the last item here called open sales, and open sales will give you or will show you the open orders. These are the pending bills, in other words. So if you give, or if you click this particular link, it will open for you all the pending bills. Right now you can see the 116, and of course it should be this high. These will allow the cashier see all the pending bills and of course clear them. So this is also found under sales, and we have what open sales here. Of course, the same link, but now brought to the dashboard. At the right section of this particular page, we have got December 2023 account report. So this particular report is running on a monthly basis. That means if you shift to the first of every new month, it is reset to 0. In this particular report, you'll see the asset account, and this particular assets account are payment modes. So if you have got cash, maybe bank, M-Pesa, card, and all these other payment modes that are acceptable within a business, all of that will be listed here. So it will give you the account name, the code, the money in, that is the debit, and of course the credit of these particular accounts, and of course the balances and the totals. So these are summary. If you click on the code, it will give you a detailed mini statement on this account. Then we have got this section called top 15 fast moving products. And the top 15 fast moving products are, just as the name suggests, are the top moving products within your business. So of course they are arranged in descending order, with the fastest moving product coming first, and the least moving product coming at the bottom. So that is what is entailed here. These particular figures you see are the item count. That means the total number of these particular items which have been sold over a given time. And then we have the last section here called today's sales summary. And today's sales summary gives you net sales of the day, the total amount paid, that is the amount received, total discounts available, and the sale balances of the day. So of course today we don't have sale balance. So currently this is what JiPOS ERP dashboard will give you. Now, depending on the business that you're running, we'll encounter maybe added graphs, added buttons, shortcut links onto this particular dashboard. I was using just an ideal example, of course, generalized for any other business to give you this demo. So thank you so much and stay tuned for our next video.